In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, Pi Network stands out as a revolutionary project aiming to democratize access to digital currencies. While we've covered the fundamentals of Pi Network in our previous videos, today we'll delve into its potential impact on the future of mobile cryptocurrency. So, if you haven't yet, make sure to check out our earlier videos for a comprehensive overview. The rise of mobile cryptocurrency as smartphone adoption continues to soar globally. The need for mobile-friendly cryptocurrency solutions has never been more critical. Traditional cryptocurrencies often require complex setups, high transaction fees, and a deep understanding of blockchain technology, which can alienate potential users. This is where Pi Network steps in, simplifying the process and making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. User-friendly mining. One of the most significant contributions of Pi Network is its approach to mining. Unlike Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that require extensive hardware and energy consumption, Pi allows users to mine on their mobile devices with minimal resources. This not only lowers the barrier to entry for new users but also promotes sustainability in the crypto space. Imagine a future where anyone with a smartphone can earn cryptocurrency while going about their daily lives. This is the vision Pi Network is working toward. Building a community plays a crucial role in the success of any cryptocurrency, and Pi Network has mastered this aspect. By prioritizing user engagement and education, Pi fosters a sense of belonging among its members. The network's growth isn't just about mining, it's about building a community that values collaboration and support. This grassroots approach can significantly influence how mobile cryptocurrencies evolve, shifting the focus from purely speculative investments to practical, everyday usage. Bridging the gap to traditional finance. Pi Network is also poised to bridge the gap between cryptocurrency and traditional finance. As more people join the platform, the potential for partnerships with businesses and financial institutions increases. By integrating Pi with real-world applications, we could see a surge in merchant adoption, allowing users to spend their mined coins in everyday transactions. This could pave the way for mobile cryptocurrency to be seen not just as a digital asset but as a viable currency in the global economy. Education and awareness. Another pivotal impact of Pi Network is its commitment to education. The platform provides resources to help users understand the intricacies of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As more individuals gain knowledge, the overall awareness of digital currencies increases, leading to greater acceptance. This educational aspect is vital for fostering trust and encouraging responsible usage of cryptocurrencies, particularly in mobile contexts. Security and privacy concerns. In an age where data privacy is a significant concern, Pi Network addresses these issues head-on. The platform emphasizes user control over personal information, ensuring that users' data remains secure. As mobile cryptocurrency usage grows, security will be paramount. By prioritizing privacy and security, Pi Network sets a standard that other mobile crypto solutions may need to follow. Future prospects. Looking ahead, the impact of Pi Network on the future of mobile cryptocurrency could be monumental. As the platform continues to evolve, it is likely to introduce new features and functionalities that enhance user experience. The integration of decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts could further expand the utility of Pi, making it a versatile tool for users worldwide. Moreover, as the project progresses toward its mainnet launch, the anticipation surrounding Pi Network will likely attract more users and investors, further solidifying its position in the mobile crypto landscape. This surge could lead to increased liquidity and a broader acceptance of Pi as a legitimate cryptocurrency. In conclusion, Pi Network is not just another cryptocurrency. It's a movement aimed at redefining the way we interact with digital currencies through mobile technology. By making mining accessible, fostering community engagement, bridging gaps with traditional finance, and prioritizing education and security, Pi Network is set to influence the trajectory of mobile cryptocurrency significantly. As we continue to monitor the developments in this space, it's essential to stay informed and engaged. If you haven't already, be sure to watch our previous videos to catch up on everything Pi Network has to offer. The future of mobile cryptocurrency is bright, and with projects like Pi Network leading the way, we can expect a more inclusive and user-friendly financial ecosystem. Don't miss out. Join the conversation and be part of the revolution.